Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is just a quick unboxing of this INNOVO Oximeter. Here it is right there. And the reason I have this is to verify whether this one is working correctly, because it is showing a rather low pulse rate. So yeah, 40 right now, but sometimes as low as 36, which was unexpected. I haven't used this in a while, so I was a little surprised when I saw that. So one of the features of this oximeter is this plethysmograph. I think that's how you pronounce it. It looks like, you know, the heart monitor that you see in a lot of, medical scenes, showing the blip of the heartbeats, but in more of a digital form. So let's just quickly go right into this. It's pretty simple. You just put these on your finger and get your reading. So it comes with, of course, all this little quick start guides, I guess, and our mission statements from the company. Maybe an advertisement here for the company, and the instructions. But let's take a look here. Little foam piece, and looks like they've changed up a little bit. I was watching a YouTube video where the battery was already installed, and they have little plastic pieces that you pull out that is in between the battery and the contacts inside the device. So let's get this out of this little pocket here. There's two AAA batteries. I guess you could have this as a reusable box for all the information. Put that aside. Do a quick comparison size. It's the same thing. There is a piece of protective plastic covering. You can leave that on if you want. This is probably the hardest part, is figuring out. Okay, so I thought, unlike this one, which you just slide in a direction, they usually have an indication, and then it's textured so the thumb can move it. This just has a little pocket here. You get your nail underneath there and pick it up. And let's use the batteries that it came with, although these are usually not the highest quality. Okay, so I have that off, and then make sure that you observe the polarities here. Got the spring is on the negative. So on the flat side of the battery, usually where the spring is, they just drop in, and this cover just snaps on. Here's the button. So it's a little clamp. Go like this, put it on. Doesn't matter when you press the button. And that's what we have. Nice little graph there showing your pulse rate and your numbers. So okay, so this is a little bit different orientation than this one. You have to put it on your right hand in order for you to actually have it oriented correctly to where it's, well, that was some extra money I had to spend to get the same readings. I have 98% oxygen rate and 38 pulse. So the graph, I don't know how useful that is, but it's a nice feature that highlights and gets people attracted to maybe buying this model. Yeah, so that's it for the unboxing. I sort of like this because you can put this on either finger and take a look at it yourself to get the reading. This one here will be upside down if you put it on your left hand. So yeah, when it's on this hand, you know, it's easy to read it. It's right side up. But when you go to put it on your left hand, it'll be upside down. You can contort your hand, sort of look like this. Get the finger in your palm there to get the reading. It's a little uncomfortable and awkward. So that's the only difference between these two. Yeah, so that's it, people, for the INNOVO finger pulse oximeter with this plethysmograph. So thanks for watching. Hope this gives you some information to make a decision on which type of, I mean, there are more models out there, but that's the first thing that I noticed is the difference between this one, you know, when you go like this, doesn't matter what hand it's on. This one here needs to be on the right hand in order for you to look at it and have the information right side up. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, like, and or comment. Till next video. Bye. Oh, and it has an auto shut off. It actually told me, let me do this again, real quick. This one here has an auto shut off, but I think it's malfunctioning, and what I need to do is momentarily remove one of the batteries and snap it back in. Been doing that for a while now. But this one here, when you remove your finger, this is what it does. And let's see how quickly it turns off. And there it turns off. So exactly what sensor is malfunctioning on this, I don't know, but did work for a while. But that's one of the irritating things about this now. But again, I just bought this to verify that these measurements were still somewhat correct. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.